A man can set aside his emotions, control his emotions, and allow his reason and logic to dictate his actions. That's it. That's the answer. That's what it means to be a man.
Welcome everyone to the Red Pill Chauvinist Show. I am your braggadocious yet very humble host, the Red Pill Chauvinist. Thank you for taking the time to ride with me. Leave all the BS in the trunk and just bring logic with you. This is a variety show that deals with topics like dating, spirituality, traveling, and much more. I'll be doing interviews with special guests from various walks of life, in addition to freestyling rants, discussing my opinions, and dropping red pills. Remember the red pill mindset is not believing in society's narrative and finding your own answers. Come take this ride with me.
Hope y'all enjoying these constant red pills, man. I'll drop one more. Lucky number 6. Lucky number 6. Lucky 6. Gotta come with a little mini story. All right, final council red pill I'll drop for you. Lucky 6. She doesn't want to help you succeed. She does not want to help you succeed because she knows that once you get the bag, that she can easily be replaced. Immediately. Let me say that again. She does not want to help you get the bag. Why? She does not want to help you succeed because she knows that once you get the bag, she can be easily replaced. Immediately. In her heart of hearts, she know that. She know that. Yo, a friend of mine told me something one day that still sticks in me, that still resonates with me. He said, and he was just talking about people in general. People want to see you do good. They want to see you do good. Genuinely, they want to see you do good. Just not better than them. People want to see you do good, just not better than them. So, transitioning from that, she doesn't want to help you get the bag. And once you get it, she knows that you have more options now. Because she has the hypergamous mindset. So she knows that once you're in that status, once you reach that level, how many more options you have. And she'll know that she knows who she really is. And she knows she won't be able to stand next to the new options you'll be able to have, okay? My story. The lessons you learn in life, man. Listen to this. That's how I know these red pills are true, because I've experienced these things in real life, man. All right. She doesn't want to help you get the bag. But she knows you can easily be replaced. All right, my story. Aspiration to become a physician/surgeon. While I'm still in school, my ex just graduated from her profession. Got her doctorate. Okay? That's what I was working on. Chicks looking for their doctorates, working on their doctorates. So, like I said, she's in the first year of her profession. I'm in my second year of mine. Second year of schooling for mine. The one thing I remember about those times of me being in school talking about med school. I'm talking about I'm like one step away from becoming an actual physician now for my goal. One thing that I remember, the day before my midterms or my finals, we would always just happen to have an argument. And I would tell she, listen, I got a test tomorrow, can we just talk about this tomorrow? Or why didn't we talk about this last week when we was, doing nothing? And after I took the exam, all of a sudden, whatever issue we had, it's not an issue no more. Okay? Oh, you think that's coincidence? I'll go further. Her mother told her, do you think the red pill chauvinist will be faithful once he's a doctor? He'll have so much money. He'll be surrounded by all those female nurses. You can't trust that. Her mother's telling her this. That seed was planted. It grew to the point where she broke up with me before my year of internship. Her reason being, she wanted to move home to take care of her mother just in case her mother got cancer. Just in case. She wasn't stage 1, stage 5, none of that. Just in case. Expected me to drop everything I'm doing to move to a different state. Nah, family. So think about it. What scared her was me actually achieving my goal. Let me say that again. What scared she, think about that. What scared she was for me to actually achieve my goal. Because in doing so, that would mean that she can be replaced immediately. So yeah, I experienced that in real life. All these constant red pills I drop on you is all facts, all real, man. I hope this helps someone, man, who was listening to this. Hope you guys aren't resistant. Maybe I should have told you earlier, get your applesauce ready. All these is facts, man. I'm running down for you. Never trust she, and never take she serious. Never invest your emotions in she. Never argue with she. Because in doing so, you build attachment through investment. Investing your time and energy. She is a whore and a slore by nature. If she had the opportunity to smash her favorite rapper, sports player, you name it, she would. It's hypergamy. It's a mindset. She only puts value in her looks and the box. Point out the lie. The last two I stated, she doesn't want to pay bills if she's living with you. She wants to remain in the 1950s. Okay? Lastly, one of the ones that I experienced myself in real life, she doesn't want to help you succeed. Because she knows once you secure that bag, she can be replaced easily and immediately. Let me finish this coconut shrimp off, man. I'm gonna let y'all think about what we just said. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification button, all that, man. I enjoyed it. I figured it needed to be said, man. People need to hear this, man, so they can move accordingly. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. You do the same.
Some niggas that you don't wanna try, my niggas. Some niggas just really do or die.